We're here at the Cannery Row parking structure in Monterey, California. Since I've been here last, they've enclosed the shaft.
Oh, this is starfishes.
This one is broken.
Ow!
Sorry. Come on, kids.
Starfish. Okay.
These are Montgomery Square buttons, modded by OTIS. Wow, these are really nice now. They don't sound really good. Whoa. Look at these cabs. Just a few minutes ago, people got on that one and the doors wouldn't close and it went into nudge mode and now it's just sitting there. There's actually someone inside. Yeah, see, it's just flashing 3. I don't know how they got in there.
I don't like that elevator.
Oh yeah, that one's broken.
Yeah, that one's scary. See it?
Look at this. What is it doing? Okay. Weird.